Today on the Science of Candy, we will be making toffee and learning a little bit about chocolate. Candy syrup is very hot and can cause serious burns. Have adult supervision. First, add the following ingredients to a saucepan. 2 1/3 cups sugar, 2 cups of butter, 1/4 plus 2 tablespoons water, and 2 tablespoons light corn syrup. Stir the ingredients over medium heat on the stove until the butter is all melted. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Occasionally stir the mixture until a candy thermometer reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, remove the mixture from the heat and stir in 1 cup of chopped nuts. Pour the mixture into a prepared greased pan. Cover this with 2 cups of chocolate chips. As the chocolate chips melt, spread the melted chocolate over the top of the toffee. Add a few more crushed nuts to the top of the chocolate. Let the toffee cool. When it's cooled, break it into pieces to eat. In a past video, we mentioned the Maillard reaction. This is a chemical reaction between the sugars and the proteins that cause a browning reaction. Using plants to make toffee? Actually, in this recipe, we use ingredients that come from 3 different plants. We're going to talk about that here now. One of those ingredients is our walnuts. Walnuts are tree nuts, and I'm actually standing by a black walnut tree right here. Now, the walnuts we used in our recipe are English walnuts instead of black walnuts, although they are related. The other ingredients that are coming from plants are our sugar and our chocolate. Sugar, an ingredient in all our candy making, comes from plants, either sugar cane or sugar beets. We're going to talk more about this in a future video. Chocolate also comes from a plant. This photo shows a chocolate plant in one of the seed pods in its raw state. When the chocolate pods are ripe, they are harvested. The seeds are removed and left out to ferment and dry. After this, the outer part of the cocoa bean seed is removed and the inside part, the cocoa nibs, are left. This is the point in the process. We are going to start our demonstration of chocolate processing at home. What I'm going to show here is really oversimplified, and it's not going to give the same smooth chocolate like we would buy finished chocolate in the store, but it will help you understand the process a little bit better. First, I measure out the cocoa nibs, and then I place them on a baking sheet to roast them a little bit. Next, I add the roasted cocoa nibs to a food processor. I also add a few chunks of cocoa butter. As we grind the nibs in cocoa butter, it increasingly becomes very paste-like. The cocoa butter in the cocoa nibs melts from the friction, and it becomes smoother. The cocoa butter we added is just to help the process go a little bit faster. After it's smooth, we add some sugar in and then continue to blend it. The equipment they use in a commercial preparation process will get the chocolate paste a lot smoother than we are here. The chocolate would also be tempered to make it more even in consistency. After the chocolate is blended in liquid, I pour it in some molds just to see what we get, and then leave the molds to solidify. My finished chocolate is a bit grainy, but it definitely tasted like chocolate. Join us next time when we get to talk about lollipops. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.